10 facts about Sun. Hi, I am a sun, and I will tell you 10 facts about me. Fact number 1, I'm the heart of the solar system, and everything revolves around me, literally. All the planets, moons, and asteroids dance in my gravitational field. Fact number 2, I'm huge. Over 1 million Earths could fit inside me, and my light is so powerful that it reaches every corner of my solar system. Fact number 3, I came to life about 4.6 billion years ago from a swirling cloud of gas and dust. Since then, I've been burning bright, lighting up the cosmos. Fact number 4, my surface temperature is a scorching 5,500 degrees Celsius, about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And at my core, it's an unimaginable 15 million degrees Celsius. That's where I fuse hydrogen into helium, releasing energy. Fact number 5, my power comes from nuclear fusion. Every second, I convert 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium, releasing massive amounts of energy as light and heat. Fact number 6, the light I produce takes about 8 minutes to travel the 93 million miles to Earth. That's fast enough to make me your daily dose of sunlight. Fact number 7, without me, there would be no life on Earth. I provide the energy that drives photosynthesis, powers weather systems, and keeps the planet warm enough to thrive. Fact number 8, I'm not just a static ball of fire. My surface is alive with sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections, powerful eruptions of energy that ripple through space. Fact number 9, my gravity is what keeps the solar system in order. It holds the planets in their orbits and even influences the paths of comets and asteroids. Fact number 10, I've got about 5 billion years left before I run out of fuel. When that happens, I'll expand into a red giant and eventually shrink down to become a white dwarf. But don't worry, I've got plenty of time left to shine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.